Hello dear students, welcome to English class. Today I am going to start worksheet because page number 8 and 9 is remaining of chapter 4. So today I am going to explain, then we will move to the our poem Someone. That work is remaining from the vocabulary. Complete these sentences using the correct phrases. He was speaking very quietly. I could not make out what he was saying. Means he was speaking very slowly, so he could not make out what he was saying. So it means he was not understanding. Can you make up your mind? Which skirt do you want? Make up means decide. Can you make up your mind? Can you decide which skirt you want? Means B. Then John made up an excuse for not completing her test. Why he get an excuse? Because did not complete. Answer is A. I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday. How can I make it up to you? Means reduce a bad effect of something. Answer A. As you know, grammar here must and must not. Complete the sentences with a must or must not. You must knock on the door before entering. Means it's a compulsory. When you are entering someone's room, you have to knock the door. You must not touch the drawers and cupboards. On weekends, you must not wake me up before 9 a.m. You must not tell my secrets to anyone. Grown-ups must always bring snacks when visiting my room. This is grammar exercise. I am going to send answer key with this video. You have to copy from that answer key only. No need to worry about that. Then question bank. Answer the following questions. When was Robinson Crusoe and who was Robinson Crusoe and where was he going? Robinson Crusoe was a traveler. He was going to Africa. Why did Robinson Crusoe and the sailors decide to get on to a lifeboat? Robinson Crusoe and sailors decided to get lifeboat as they could not remain on a sinking boat because डूबते हुए शिप में वो रहना नहीं चाह रहे थे. So they used a lifeboat. Now here misprinting is there. You have to write full question. How does Robinson Crusoe react when he finds himself alone on the shore? Means you have to copy this question properly. Okay. Answer is Robinson Crusoe felt very sad and concerned about his fellow men. Okay. When he found alone, we feel very sad. This is your work. You have to copy from given page and come to the poem Someone. As you know already, I completed that poem explanation and reading. Then you have to do that scene poem in page number 10. That scene poem is from your textbook only. Scene poem Someone. Someone come knocking. my wee small door. Someone came knocking. I am sure, I am sure. I listened, I opened, looked to left and right. Not there was a string. In this still dark night, only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. This is a scene poem. You have to answer these questions from the poem. What did the speaker do after opening the door? After opening the door, speaker looked right and left. How was night? Night was dark night. What did he hear? He heard busy beetle tapping in the wall. Rhyming word night, right. Roar, door. Fall, wall. Bark, dark. This is a scene poem. You have to write yourself these answers. An unseen poem was there. It is an unseen poem. Okay, guys, it is a unseen poem. Fairy went marketing. She bought a winter gown. She wore it all afternoon with a prancing and delight. Then give it to a little frog to keep him warm at night. Who went to the market? Fairy went to the market. How long Fairy wore a gown? Afternoon till all afternoon she wore a gown. What did Fairy buy from market? Fairy bought gown from the market. Write a rhyming words. Night, delight. 2 words are there. You have to find it right. And I hope you will do another unseen poem was there. That unseen poem was read this poem carefully and do as directed. I have a new umbrella, bright red new umbrella, a new red silk umbrella. I wish that it would rain and then I could go walking just like a lady walking and grown-up lady walking away way down the lane. Describe the umbrella little girl has. Umbrella is silk umbrella, red umbrella, new umbrella. You have to use describing word for a umbrella. What does little girl wish? Little girl wish for a rain. What was the color of the umbrella? Umbrella was a red color. Old, new, up, down, dull, dark. These you have to do yourself. Page number 10, 11, 12. I hope you will do it. It's a very easy. Try to do and copy page number, vocabulary, grammar and question bank in you. These all work you have to do in your worksheet only. Thank you. Stay safe.